Hi, I'm Tyler Fossey.
And I'm Jessica Fossey. And this is our 1984 Dodge camper van, Yogi.
Okay, so this is the outside of our 1984 Dodge camper van. We just upgraded our tires. We've got a little bit of a beefier wheel so that we can get up some forestry roads. We've got the original Trans-On 2000, quite mildewy when we first opened her up. The AC should still work. Haven't used it in 2 years though. Running board for the lady to get in. Had to cut these extra vent holes for the fridge here. Very terrifying, but the right Sawzall blade does the trick. And if you come around here, you'll see my future spot to fill up our water tank and our tire insurance, as well as the backup camera.
Yeah, we were sick of paying so much for rent, and we also kind of wanted to go see the world and do some vacationing and that, and so we kind of mixed it together, and we saw a couple people doing van life and we thought that was pretty cool. So that was back in 2018. We got married, and then after our honeymoon we took off to the West Coast. Hey guys, welcome to the inside of our van. All right, so up here we have our kitchen cabinet. Here we have our sink that we're not really using. We're just using it for storage when we drive. We also are eventually going to be changing some things on here, but a little bit temporary. At the bottom here we have where our storage for shoes. And also what I'm sitting on here is the original captain chairs that swivel around. All the seating in here is original, and they're one of our favorite parts of the van. Up here above me we have some extra storage. This is some of our dry food storage up here. And on the other side here we have some of Tyler's clothing. Another thing we really like about our van is the natural light we get through our skylights here, which was something that Tyler had to spend a lot of time in fixing and updating, but yeah, that's all new. So over here we have our kitchen cabinet, and like I said, this is our sink that we're using as storage. This is the original stovetop that came with the van. It's in pretty good condition and we still use it. It runs off propane, as well as our fridge, which also runs off propane. This was a new addition that we did. And below over here we have where we put our gray water and just some cleaning supplies and extra storage. Up here we have just fruits, veggies, anything that we kind of are using on a regular basis, cutlery, cups, our toiletries. We talked about removing them. Yeah, that was a big one.
So much.
We were like, should we do
because I'm looking
booth?
at space for storage, and Jess is looking at feng shui.
I'm like, no, these seats are so cool, we can't.
And I can't say that I don't regret, keeping them, because
we don't see many chairs like that in even other Dodges that we've seen. All right, and on the other side of the van here, we have our dining room area. These are the original bucket seats, like I said, and this is our dining room table. It actually, you can turn it and it swivels and comes down. This is our window. We actually keep it covered most of the time just for thermal purposes and privacy. We have our tongue and groove cedar that Tyler put in, as well as the pine, which we painted and was a really nice clean update for us. We also have all of our Polaroid photos and just fun memories up here from camping trips. And our old school radio we have here, we listen to CBC on most mornings and have our coffee. We also have just some of our fun eclectic things like dream catchers and tie-dye stuff that are crafts and fun things that I enjoy to do. Back here in our bedroom area, we have our bed here, which is between a queen and a double. We also have some more storage, which is just winter clothes and some heavier items that we have down here. We also have the other half of our storage here is actually for our cat Shisha. She has a nice little spot down here for her litter box and just a safe area that's all for her own. And yeah, that's been really nice for her to have her own space.
Yeah, we're coming on 3 years.
It would have been like 2018, July 2018.
Yeah. July 2018, we had it parked in our driveway at our apartment, and we're pretty much living in it. And we were also watching Stranger Things at the time, which was in 1984.
We were watching it in the van, which is in 84. And it was on October 31st, too.
Trippy. Yeah, and it was all still OG. So fun.
Yeah.
That's super sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been good. A good 3 years.
Good 3 years.
All right, and back here in the bed area, we have some extra storage that's just for things that we don't really need access to often, like first aid stuff and some other camping items. We have a little entertainment area of just books and other things. We also have some more storage little cubbies that Tyler's put in, which are really handy. This is just where we put all our cutlery and our dishes. And then we have the miscellaneous junk drawer. Up here we also have just some more storage for clothes and that. These cubbies were really nice that Tyler put in and just super handy for some extra storage space. Hats and that kind of thing. We have like more books and things we kind of like to have on display, some eclectic things we found at thrift stores and that. And also above us here we have our disco ball, which was a really fun thing that we put in over the holidays, and we kind of kept it because it was just fun for us and the cat. We also have our ceiling vent. It's been really nice for just when we're cooking, for condensation, and then also just having nice airflow in the van. And then our other favorite part is the original ceiling paneling, which has been just a really fun retro thing for us to keep in the van, and it just goes with the rest of everything.
All right, let's check out the back of the van. Come on in here. So we got ample storage for when we want to throw the Rubbermaids in for camping trips and stuff. And then, as Jess was saying, we keep the kitty litter back here. Swing that door open, slide her out. So pretty handy. Over here on the other side, we got a bunch of storage and our future space for all of our electronic components and the water tank and stuff like that.
This was like the best test for our marriage.
Yeah, after 2 years. That's one thing too our moms keep saying. It's
yeah,
like,
they're
you can spend 2 years in a van.
You can do anything.
You should be
And it
good.
does feel that way, honestly. We do feel pretty... Like,
well, it is. It's pretty natural for us. I don't know.
That.
I'm super, super lucky. And
yeah, me too.
yeah. It's worked out really well.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Congratulations.
Thanks, yeah.
I know. I thought it's like, we did it. Whenever I see anybody on site from Ontario, I'm like, you made it, man. Right on.